in the championship run of National University. Cassie to Marga Altea, who converts from the middle. Have graduated from both of these teams. So bagamat extensive na yung naging history nila, magiging iba yung magiging tema dito for these two squads as Angge Poyos tries for that attack. Lamina will just send it over, free ball for UST. Cassie Carvalho, running attack. Altea gets set to go.
Altea from their previous match, she's still bringing it in here in the map, in their game against the NU Bulldogs.
And she was able to style one start for UST. Mata, drop ball. Pepito picks it up.
That's a chance ball now for the Lady Bulldogs.
Alexa Mata, nandun yung depensa ni Angge Poyos. Malingit. Salazar from the left pin. And you
have really good blockers, so they need set plays and good defense in order to activate all their spikers. On point, yeah, Bali found the home she was looking for in USD because the transition from going to Japan, but now Braun bringing in the block.
Inside the Rizal Memorial Coliseum, this block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Coach Shaq really worked on having
both of these teams having new coaches this season. Celine Marsh puts it in. She has had, and Salazar is denied. Net defense of UST continues to bite. Angge Poyos. One more time for UST.
Team already ended.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. Here's the service line. Maaya had to adjust to that set. From the pipe, Poyos was sent back by Chamcha Maaya. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
So sending it over.
High ball.
High ball to get back. On the, what a pancake by Hargyo.
And that, looking back in her rookie days, she saw that as a learning ground wherein she is capable of making mistakes for her growth as an individual. But now Angge is only
13 down by 3. NU has not lost yet in this preseason. Aldea continues to sizzle for UST.
Look at that timing. And it's not the usual A-quick attack. It's actually a bit higher so that mas naka-attract. She's growing into such a reliable player for UST.
Oh, pounding it in, Sai Saguna. This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
But you gotta credit Carvalho with that set. Perfect pass and maru-utilize ng UST yung kanilang middle blockers. Altea utilizing her great wall of España.
Salong-salo dun yung past couple of games for Uste. Mata gustong bumawi. Poyo sa bandang kaliwa. Celine Marsh desperately tried to keep that ball alive here.
Poyo, so much explosiveness.
UST, when they against the University of the Philippines, as Sai Sagula gets a service ace. Balingit. Pepito was there for the retrieval.
Marsh saw that.
Sa kabila, Poyos puts it in.
Pretty late with that net defense.
Yeah.
And she was already far, actually.
So far, though, they're sticking to this unit. Both these squads. Poyos with back-to-back hits. Nicely done on the setup by Carvalho. 18.
Another good serve by Altea. Lamina goes to Marsh.
Celine Marsh, unable to convert. Poyos rising up, changing her approach.
The NU defense, actually, umatras talaga sila because they know how hard of a hitter Poyos is. So that was a really great decision by Angge.
Lams Lamina pumps it up. Bombita one more time. No dice. Poyos. 4th consecutive point. Grabe pinapakita ng UST here in the set number 1.
Hard serve.
Good pass though by Hardio. Sam Cantada announcing her entry.
She said that it comes with big expectations, but she's approaching the game with the same humility and mindset as with every other match. Naikwento nga rin ito sa akin kanina.
Pumps it up to Angge Poyos. Babalik sa UST. Ang bola dito. Poyos susubok ulit. Sa kabila pumunta. And Rechurado almost got it in.
Second pancake of the match by Hardio. And that is track.
Rechurado.
Great coverage by the USC Golden Tigresses. But Chamcham Maaya denies.
Poyos and Pepito colliding momentarily there. Chamcham Maaya taking advantage. This full play is brought to you by RNB Milk Tea. Order now.
Ball was too close to the net, but Lamina made a way to
Service line. Nice pass from Sai Sagula. Siya kinapapalo. Chamcham Maaya. Say it. What Sai Sagula wanted to do on that trip. Avril Braun drills that one home.
And that's what happens when
At this picturesque set. And the cross-court hit. Galing kay Avril Braun and UST. First set as they win it over NU. Set number 2 underway, brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. All-to-play rules still in effect. Rechurado, this is where Rechurado, Mimi Coronado, and Blessing Yunekwe. Down the line hit from K. Bombita.
start for NU having Bombita.
Blessing Yunekwe. Bombita keeping that ball alive. Fernandez, nice dig from Icy Cepada. Bump set, Wahe. Binalikan si Fernandez. Nice block.
Much better defense.
Service. Bombita. Napayungan ni Blessing Yunekwe. Keep this lead para sa Lady Bulldogs.
Well, we can see it's definitely a separate unit because they're starting it fresh like we've mentioned earlier, and they're playing with no fear.
No sense of panic, no? And the way they're moving right now, much better. Cantada. Coverage was there, keeping that ball in play, but a chance ball. Arasan! Binasag yung block.
Low back.
Bombita. Jurado sa bandang kanan. It's good.
And you have it.
In reception. Playing for Alas Pilipinas. Pinuntahan niya siya. The coverage by Hardio by the Golden Tigresses. This block brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. That was Reg Jurado getting that one. Especially in the series like this, getting game number 1 is important. Sam Cantada this time.
She's a lefty.
That play brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart Our Way. Our rules, download the app now. Had 9 points in set number 1. Cantada trying to duplicate.
I remember from the Shakey's G-Ville, she actually shined because of her service aces. I think she served about 8.
But has just fell short multiple times. But for their fans, they feel like the time is now.
For NU now.
Oh.
1-2 play.
Pono tried to trick everyone there, but UST was ready. Jurado. She picks it up for the Golden Tigresses. NU beginning to hum here in set number 2. But Reg Jurado just continue. Estanlar yung hulog. Nandoon si Jurado. Blessing Yunekwe. Yes.
Both coaches can actually sub in players already.
Combination play.
That's no good. Defense from NU. Escanlar tries again. Going cross-court. That one goes out.
Nabiyayaan yung pagtsaga.
Hitters ng UST. Pero with that point, hopefully they get their confidence. And there it is. Well, Coach Shaq is still sticking to his second unit players while Alin Sug is back for the NU Lady Bulldogs in for the Golden Tigresses.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Back in 2023, they lost in 4 sets, both occasions. Angge Poyos pounds it in.
Good pass.
Hang time. No problem. Angge Poyos, man. Sometimes you just
Targeting Cantada.
Alexa Mata converts from the middle.
Perfect pass. Maaya puts it through.
Cham Cham Maaya putting in the family and pizza at Shakey's.
Pancake save by Pepito, converted into a point. Well, UST, especially with their main stringers on the court, they're very composed and really wanting to get this game. With NU, although they're a seasoned team, medyo nahihirapan sila, but Maaya trying to get back on track for NU.
As UAP Season 84 best setter. And converting on an ace. Cardio with the pass to Lamina. The block by UST once again. Very efficient with her services, Marga Altea. Balingit off the block. Yes, sir.
That hit.
Here ko lang Actually, mas nakakaintindi siya ng Tagalog instead of English. She grew up in Japan. Talking about...
At least she's not having a hard time adjusting in the Philippines. Balingit with a sharp cross-court hit. Lamina giving it to Cantada, powering through the blockers.
Poyos, the pickup. Poyos, the hammer.
Answering with her own power. Exploding from that left side.
Shakey's. NU with a 2-point lead over UST.
Cardio with a perfect pass. Maaya with a 1-2 play.
Carvalho back to Angge Poyos. Magandang depensa ng NU.
Alinsug from the back row.
Joust at the net. Cardio with a coverage. Alinsug. UST will reload. Poyos, the adjustment.
That's still good.
Maaya keeping that ball alive and she puts it in.
A lot with
Lamina. Sam Cantada emerging from the shadows. Also in the
team.
Playing with a lot of emotions. She's the type of player that wears her heart on her sleeve. And much like that, again, jump.
But she has the highest presence of mind here. Look at her energy and
from the left pin, Vangeline Sol delivers. Lams Lamina. Combination play. The explosion.
Lady Bulldogs. She was silenced in the first set, but here in the third set, welcome back, Vange. Strong serve. Lamina going to Bombita down the line, getting that point.
This spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
Maaya with that power hit from the middle.
Cham Cham Maaya points for Cham Cham.
One big bite.
16-13 will head into her second technique. Unekwe, greatly anticipated by the defense by the Lady Bulldog.
Said na they need to have a lot of patience. Good block from Maaya. That's 2 in a row. Poyos, 3 in a row for Maaya. Great read and great touches indeed.
Can you guess? 14. Oh, it's an ace! Tumama doon sa balikat ni Dedet Pepito yung serve na yun. Sam Cantada immediately apologizing to Dedet. Another timeout by Coach Shaq. You see there, really unintentional. And you.
Pepito with that underhand set.
Maaya is the one picking that ball up. Alinsog down the line.
But Lamina, who was rushing.
Box. Combination play, Red Jurado. And she was able to stay with it. By Pepito. Tough angle there by Julia Balingit. Kay Bombita was denied.
Cardio with a good save.
Buhay pang bola, UST. Free ball. Sa Isagula, Hardio just going to work. Isa pang pagkakataon para sa Golden Tigresses. Balingit at the middle. But the denial from NU.
Lamina actually was the one who got that point. Block points rather, the 4 points. A lot coming from Maaya, but Jurado is back on the court for UST.
Biggies from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza. Alinsog off speed. Pepito there to retrieve it. Blessing Onekwe. Quick transition play for Kay Bombita. And then the playmaking, of course, of Lams Lamina. Booming hit. Angge Poyos continues to sit.
UST has been targeting Hardio. And she...
5th point for Alexa Mata.
For this set, Coach Yanni told the girls, "Wag niyong ayawan." He also pointed out how they have been struggling in the past set in service and passing.
You notice Angge Poyos not really going for those jump serves. Sam Cantada puts it in for Sam Cantada. The former Adamson High School star.
For NU. Carvalho back to Altea with that running attack.
Nicely done.
Maaya once again. Jurado keeping it alive. Now it's a chance ball for NU. They go fast. Maaya with that cross-court hit.
Carvalho continues to serve, and she gets an ace. This is Vangeline Sog. Sent back to the friend zone.
Yeah.
Perfectly timed block, and no treads. Lumobo na ang kalamangan ng Uste. They have all the momentum. Oh, what a set. Saisagula converts.
Back-to-back point.
Celine Marsh will get it across. Free ball. UST. Onekwe finds a spot. Front for the Golden Tigresses. Vangeline Sog elevates and detonates.
But great hit from Vange.
Oh, diba? Buhay pa eh. Oh. Not her usual explosive game. Angge Poyos, nice pickup by Hardio. Cantada. Then
Good
Pepito
save.
swooping in.
That's a chance ball now for NU. They go
Celine
to Marsh.
Carvalho, pinuntahan si Angge Poyos, had to adjust.
Good save.
Nice coverage from Abe Pono. Cassie Carvalho.
What a rally from these two teams. Jurado with that drop ball.
Howard tip. Sam Cantada pounds it in. 15 points. Pepito nonchalantly getting to that first ball.
Making it look so easy, but Maaya with that block still. That's good.
Kamo si Det really egging on her teammates.
Altea getting her hands on that.
As you can see earlier, even after that second and third set loss, Saizagula remained positive and still had that smile on her face. And now extending...
And good play of words from Mikey as well. Saizagula nanggugulat. But that's still good for UST.
Angge Poyos though taking advantage of that mishit.
Good serve. They go to Cantada, cross court. Good save.
Vanch picking it up, but no dice on that first ball. Carvalho goes to Angge.
Low fast set.
Lamina to Sam Cantada. And the block, courtesy of US. Strike back. Cantada was denied.
Great coverage by Hardio. They go to Alinsug.
From the pipe, Cassie Carvalho, the setup. Angge Poyos converts.
Poyos already.
More of her though. Her production, Vangeline Sog, Marga Altea. Nice coverage by Jurado. Sai Sagula from the left pin. She had to adjust, and she did it, and she scored.
For the Golden Tigresses.
UST. They go to Sai Sagula, this time with a lot more power.
Vanch Alinsug hits it over.
Oh,
and
Vanch.
she gets that point.
She delivers. NU just hanging around.
NU actually trying to keep it slow but steady.
Up front for NU. You have Alinsug, Bombita, and Alexa up front. But Reg Jurado puts it in.
Good set, Bombita. Drop ball. That was too high. Pepito reads it well.
Carvalho, pinuntahan si Reg Jurado. Down the line it goes. This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Timeout, National University.
This is still the defending champion, so a lot can still happen. Bombita soaring from the right side.
Poyos from the left pin. NU a chance to counter from the pipe. Vangeline Sog.
That ball is high.
Poyos, di napapaluin yan. Itatawid na lang. Isa pang pagkakataon para sa NU. Bombita off the block. Poyos the pickup. Oh, it's an ace. How about NU? Is the score.
That's a good pass still. Jurado.
This is Pepito giving it up to Angge Poyos. Jurado wasn't able to chase for it. And NU persevering through the storm.